Up. You sure?
There it goes.
Run and catch it.
Oh my God. Careful.
Okay. I don't think it's gonna go.
Try it on the table. There's a surface there. Drop.
Let go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Yeah, see? Try it on the table because then you have a surface to catch the air. See, try it here.
You
Wrong.
can do it again.
You have no control here.
Yeah, it wasn't controlling right.
Let me try.
Yeah, try it on the table. Because it should be able to lift itself, right? There's enough power. Yeah. Things probably overused, right?
Oh yeah.
It's like, I need a break for the weekend. Now let's see it from his point of view.
See how clear it is.
Oh, look at that. How does that work?
She need.
Oh, really?
Sorry. Wait a moment.
Oh, now it works? Oh. That is the Pixley he's talking about.
Yeah,
Wow. It's the connection issue.
yeah, that messed me up.
Hey, do you know how much the pizza is?
$199.
$199, folks. 200 with tax over that. Not bad. Website?
It's KeyshareUS.com.
Keyshareus.com. I should remember that by now. Thank you. Thank you. He's trying to. What he's trying to do is he's trying to get a connection, right?
Battery.
Low battery.
Low battery. Low battery, folks. But you did see it in operation. Hilariously, but it works. Full battery works really well. All right. Thanks, everybody. Okay.